I wonder if this is what Irving meant by answers.
Not sure. But obviously there's a connection here with Umbrella. And that's never a good sign.
We can worry about this later. First, we need to find out about Jill.
You're right. Let's see what we can dig up.
I don't know how, but they could be using them to produce biological weapons. This is the facility from the picture, no doubt about it.
We're finally getting somewhere. Careful. I saw something.
Thank God there weren't more of them.
Yeah, we wouldn't last in a fight with a whole horde.
I don't think they'll notice us.
Hurry!
Roger!
Shove
Roger! Come on! Come on!
Come on!
Thanks.
You grab it.
Roger, I owe you one.
I need ammo.
Take this.
Take it.
Use this.
Much appreciated.
What the hell?
This was in the pictures, too.
Wait, that means Jill might be here.
What have they done?
Jill. There's so many. They must be kidnapping people from all over the world to experiment on. It stopped.
Why?
Well, that's why.
Its shell's too big! Our guns are useless against it! The carapace is too tough! We need to find a softer target! He's down! Now's our chance!
This.
It's working! This cell is stroking!
Damn it. Where is she?
Mr. Redfield, how nice to finally make your acquaintance.
Who the hell are you?
Excella Guiona. She works with Tricell,
Nice. You've done your homework.
an officer in the Global Pharmaceutical Consortium. Why?
As if I need to explain myself to you. Although, weren't you two given orders to retreat?
So it was you.
Where is Jill?
Jill, even if I did know, you think I would tell you?
Cut the crap. Tell me where she is.
As soon as you two are done with your little vigilante mission, you should leave. There's nothing here worth throwing your lives away for.
She's lying. She knows something.
It's time we get some answers.
So this was the facility Excella was talking about.
She's got us under surveillance. I can almost guarantee she sent that BOW to eliminate us.
You can ask her about that, and about Jill once we find her.
All right, let's find her then.
You grab it.
Roger! We stay here, we're just asking for them to attack! Fine!
Come on!
Okay.
Come on!
Roger.
Come on! Hurry!
Roger.
Shubba! Shubba! Hurry!
Roger.
Come on!
Roger.
Come on! Shubba! Shubba! Hurry!
Ouroboros has been murdered. Make sure to take care of it before we leave. Don't worry. The research supply is almost ready.
You know that voice.
It's Excella.
That's being handled, Albert. I'm looking forward to it.
Albert.
What?
How are you holding up, okay, Albert?
Shit. Wesker. I thought he was dead.
Hey.
Come on!
Roger.
Come on!
Roger.
Come on!
Okay.
Come on!
Roger.
Come on!
Roger.
Come on! Come on!
Roger.
Come on!
Okay.
Come on! Come on! Hurry!
Missiles.
Why would they need these, do you think?
Maybe they're planning to start a war. Come on, take it!
Okay. What manner of beast is that? These must be the discarded test subjects from the research facility.
Help! Thanks for the help.
Sheva.
Well, glad you could make it. Up here, you two.
Excella. Where's Jill?
Jill. You're like a broken record, you know that? Just as single-minded as he said. You've spent so long trying to track down Ouroboros. Well, here, enjoy.
So Ouroboros is a new DOW, and you're planning on selling it to terrorists.
Good guess, but no. While it does resemble the BOW based on the progenitor virus, I have no intention of selling it to terrorists.
Then what are you using it for?
Evolution. It's a philosopher's stone, one that will choose through DNA who shall proceed to the next stage. My vision and his combined, now made a reality.
Evolution? What are you talking about?
Oh, you'll find out soon enough. Everyone will. Too bad. Looks like he wasn't worthy. Only the chosen ones are fit for the coming new world.
Stella, wait!
Warning, a biohazard threat has been detected. Cleanup personnel must incinerate all contaminated materials.
What's all this nonsense about evolution and being worthy? What does she mean?
Something about a philosopher's stone and selecting DNA. Doesn't matter what she says, she's just a terrorist. End of story. We can't risk Ouroboros getting out of here and infecting people.
Then let's go take care of business.
Come on!
Okay,
Come on! Take it!
Roger.
Come on!
Okay. I'll check if I can move it from over there.
Give me an herb.
Roger. Take this.
Thanks for the help. Sheva!
Okay.
No, something's stopping it.
It's going up again. Got him! Reload!
You grab it.
Roger.
Come on! You grab it.
Okay. More ruins. You think Excella is here?
If we want to find out, we're gonna have to lower that bridge.
Then we need to locate the controls. Maybe they're in that building.
Hold on. I'll check things out. Leone! Stop right there! Bravo!
Damn it, where's Jill?
Jill? Maybe I'll tell you. Maybe I won't.
Stop playing around. We want some answers.
You haven't changed.
Wesker, you are alive.
This is Wesker.
We last met at the Spencer estate, wasn't it? Well, isn't this one big family reunion? I would expect you to be happier to see us.
Us?
So slow to catch on.
Jill, it's me, Chris.
What? Are you sure that's her?
The one and only. Let's finish this once and for all. I think the odds are fair. 2 on 2. Right, Jill?
Come on!
7 minutes. 7 minutes is all I can spare.
Your future hinges upon this fight.
Come on! We'll never win like this. Time to change tactics.
We should hide!
Self-righteous fools!
I expected more of a challenge after all this time, Chris. How disappointing. Yes.
Go. Wesker, stop! Jill, come on! It's me, Chris! Snap out of it!
Nice move, Chris. But now that your partner has arrived, I'll leave you two to catch up.
Come on, Jill! Get yourself together, wake up! Jill Valentine! Jill!
Remarkable. Still resisting at such an advanced stage. Commendable, yet futile. No more time for games, Chris. I've got work to do. Have fun watching Jill suffer.
Wait, what did you do to her?
What's that on her chest?
We have to get it off her. All right, and that's what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna make it!
Are you okay?
Jill, what are you doing?
We have to get that device off and check!
Stop this! Jill, answer me! It's me, Chris! Don't you recognize me? Come on!
Roger.
Come on, snap out of it!
Now! Hold it down!
Don't do this, Jill! I don't want to hurt you!
We have to get that device off and check!
Jill, what are you doing? Stop this! Jill, answer me! It's me, Chris! Don't you recognize me? Come on, snap out of it! Don't do this, Jill!
Now! Hold it down!
Jill. Jill. Are you all right?
Chris. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
You're Sheva, right?
Yes.
I couldn't control my actions. Oh, but God, I was still aware. Oh, forgive me.
It's all right.
Thank you. Listen, I'm gonna be all right. You do need to stop him.
We can't just leave you here.
You have to. This is your only chance. If Wesker succeeds, Uroboros will be spread across the globe. Millions will die.
Well, yeah, but...
I'm all right. You need to stop him. Chris, you're the only one who can. Before it's too late. Don't you trust your partner?
All right.
Take care of him. You're our only hope to survive this.
Chris?
I'm all right. time to put an end to this.